3/4 cup cooking oil. 2 large-size onions sliced. Fry on medium flame until golden brown. $750-gram chicken. Cook on medium flame until color is changed. One teaspoon black pepper. 2 black cardamom. 5 green cardamom. 1 tablespoon ginger and garlic paste. Cook for 2 minutes. 1 tablespoon red chili powder. 2 tablespoons coriander powder. 1 teaspoon cumin seeds powder. 1 teaspoon salt. 1/2 teaspoon turmeric powder. 1/2 teaspoon allspice powder. Cook for 3 minutes. One cup yogurt. Cook on medium flame for 2 minutes. Crush the fried onions finely. Add crushed fried onions. Mix well. One cup water. Cover and cook for 5 minutes. 2 cinnamon sticks. 2 sticks mace. 1 piece nutmeg. 6 to 7 green cardamom. Grind well. Add grinded masala. One teaspoon Kira water. Mix well. Cook for 2 minutes.